Hi guys, this is Shilpa Mittal and this video is for 9th class students. We are continuing our exercise 2.4 and today's question is question number 4, which is factorize. We have seen that any type of quadratic equation, any type of quadratic polynomial can be split in two factors, and the question is also given as factorize. And we have the quadratic equation, we have the quadratic polynomial, so we can apply the splitting method. Splitting method means split the middle term into two terms. Split the middle term into two terms. In what way? I will explain. First step, multiply the constant term to the square term. Here constant term is 1 and square term is 12x square. So first step is multiply the constant term and square term. Now after multiplying we get 12x square. Our middle term is minus 7x. Isn't it? Yes. Our middle term is minus 7x. Minus 7x. Now we have to find two numbers. We have to find that type of two numbers by which if we multiply both the numbers then we will get 12x square, and if we subtract or add both of the terms then we will get minus 7x. The condition is if we multiply that both numbers then we will get 12x square, and if we add or subtract both numbers then we will get minus 7x as the answer. So the condition fulfilled by the two numbers, which is 3x and 4x, that means minus 3x and minus 4x. Our first condition is that multiplying the both terms and we will get 12x square. Then 3 4s are 12, x multiplied by x square, and this minus cancels this minus. Hence we will get 12x square. So these two numbers fulfill our first condition. And second condition is that after addition or subtraction we will get minus 7x. Hence this is the negative term, this is also negative term, then minus minus plus, and 3x plus 4x given to minus 7x. Hence we can put minus 3x and minus 4x in the place of middle term, that means minus 7x. So our equation will be seen like this: 12x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. Now we have to find the common factors. We have to find the common numbers. This is our equation after splitting. We can write 12 as 3 multiplied by 4x square, 3 minus 3x as it is, minus 4x as it is, plus 1 as it is. We can see that these 3 and these 3 are the common, and x are also common. So we can take out 3x as common factor, and the remaining numbers are 4, x, and here is nothing, that means 1. So 4x minus 1. Now in this term we can see that there is nothing common in 4x and 1. So we just take out 1 as the common. If we can't get any common number, any common factor, then we can take 1 as common. So here is minus, then we have to put minus here and 1, and after taking the minus 1 as common factor, the internal sign will be changed, that means plus converted to the minus. So we can see that both the factors 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1 common in the whole equation. So 4x minus 1 take out as the common factor, and the remaining numbers are 3x minus 1. This is the two factors which we required in this question. This is our splitting method. Remaining 3 parts of question number 4 is your homework. If you have any query, then you can comment me in the comment section. I will explain that query.